Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power seats are not working. This video will apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, located right here. First thing, you want to remove this cover. You'll have two black tabs. You want to press them and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here small white puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. This top 30 amp fuse, this is your driver power seat, and this one down here 30 amp green one as well, this is your passenger power seat. So these are the two fuses worth checking. Now, in case both of these fuses are good and you're still having problems with one of the power seats, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to check the power seat switch. You want to check the wiring towards the switch, and you want to check the wiring towards the motor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.